Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, let me to introduce myself. My name is Asri Lady Perbina Simbolon. My study ID number 19032110040. I am from class A. Here I will explain about palm oil commodity in pet therapy technique. Okay, before I will to explain profile Cheferapi technique. Cheferapi technique is a company agents in production of palm oil. Cheferapi technique was established on February 17, 1997, which was founded by Anton Chono, which the address at Jalan Asahan, KM 18 Nagori or village Pematang Asilum, Simalungun Regency, which a factory area for 25 hectares. This factory stand on commodity owned land which was processed by owner of Civinet Technique. The vision, mission and motto of the palm oil mill company Civinet Technique as follows. Vision: making PKS Cheferapi technique development and sustainable in producing palm oil and can accommodate works whole life around the PKS. And the mission in PET and Cheferapi technique is 1. Increase awareness and responsibility for the social environment. 2. Become a reference for the implementation of the compliance and good governance. 3. Increase contribution to the country and employees. 4. Caring for the interests of society and the environment. 5. Developing professional human resources or HR. And point 2. Production management. 1. Factory production equipment. 3. Production equipment used by the palm oil mill. Civinet Technique use local or domestic equipment and equipment important from abroad, namely wheat receiving station, timber bricks, loading rams, sterilizer rams, threshing station, teaser, fishing station, clarification station, oil tanks, sludge separators, decenter, kernel station, power station, boiler, generator, PLN, steam turbine. And 2. Raw material preparation. Palm oil is waste material for the production of crude palm oil and palm kernel oil. Raw material processing come from fruit bushes from the harvest of the people garden, especially those in the Simalungun Regency and the surrounding areas, which accompany of the 20 tons of the working hours of 16 working hours per day with 6 working per week. The need material per day is 120 tons or 800 tons if month. Production process. The steps of process that are passed to produce crude palm oil and palm kernel. In general, the processing process starts from the receiving and weighing, boiling, threshing and pulverizing fruit, extraction, refining and purification of oil, drying and splitting seed, and the separating palm kernel. 4. The final product of the Cheferapi technique is crude oil and palm kernel. CPO products are stored in a storage tank with a capacity of 800 tons and one tank unit with a capacity of 500 tons, mainly the production processing. Selection. Farming in the main livelihood of most Pematang Asilum villages, generally oil palm farming. Besides that, the residents also cultivate dry land and garden land, which are planted with rambutan, banana, mango, and durian. The large number of oil palm plantations in the Pematang Asilum village support the establishment of a palm oil factory in the village. Besides that, with a larger population, it is very sustainable to fulfill work needs in the palm oil industry. And then production supervision. Production supervision is carried out routinely by the local government, and supervision of each production is carried out by the general manager in each department or assistant. Marketing management. CPO and Karma are marketed to CPO and kernel processing company Sivirapi Technique cooperates with the CPO and kernel processing companies located on the island of Java. CPO and kernel mobilization is carried out through the Kuala Tanjung port, and the CPO and palm kernel are also marketing to cooking oil and the butter processing company, namely Multinabati Asahan and Musimas. And point, corporate responsibility for social and environmental impact. Social impact. Establishment of the palm oil mill industry Sivirapi Technique has had an influence of the social life of the surrounding community. As for the implementation of community social programs that have been implemented by Sivirapi Technique are as follows. 1. Community social assistance, such assistance from religion event facilities, giving rights, providing basic necessities, and so on. 2. Financial assistance in paying for electricity and water for several mosques around the factory. 3. Assistance for the provision of clean water facilities in the form of clean water tanks and cleaning support facilities in the from providing trash cans. 4. Pro-arrangement of social events. 5. Participant in living collaboration the Independence Day of the Republic of Indonesia. 6. Building partnership with the surrounding community, especially people who work as oil palm farmers. Environmental impact. 1. Traffic smoothness and potential route to make the transportation of raw material through public route and the residential area. This conditional can increase the intensity of road used by the heavily loaded transport vehicle, which have the potential to accelerate route damage and disturb the smooth flow of traffic. 2. Public health. The impact on the health of the community around the factory. Thus, a process was factories causing unpleasant odors, noisy with the sound of the operation of large factory machines. 3. Palm oil processing factory. What's palm oil processing factory? What is the waste generated from the palm oil process? What's from palm oil processing is classification into 3 types, namely soil waste, liquid waste, and gas waste. Next, corporate social responsibility. The implementation of the community social program to have been implemented by Civil Technique is building partnership with the community. Procurement of social events, participating in activities celebrating in the Independence Day of the Republic Indonesia, funding assistance in payment of electricity and water for several mosques around the factory, as well as social assistance. And next, contribution to society. The establishment of the palm oil mill industry Civil Technique has an impact that is felt by the community. These impacts are direct and indirect impact. Direct impact. The direct impact is the opening of job opportunities, especially for local community. The magnitude of the impact is classification is very large because the impact of opening up job opportunities has a future impact in the form of increasing people income. Ours, as well as the extension the business opportunities for the community supplier in the activity of preparing raw material in the form of fresh oil palm fruit business. Indirect impact. The indirect impact caused by the palm oil industry is the opening of new jobs outside the palm oil mill industry. Several techniques, among others, the emergence of mobile food vendors selling their wares, the employees and the stall located around the factory also felt a positive impact by increasing their income after the process of the Civil Technique. Okay, until here my explanation. I say thank you for the attention. Bye.